Good morning kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Myself Pragya from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. So kids, our today's topic is write small letter A to Z. So kids, in the earlier classes we have already learned how to trace and write lowercase letters A to Z. And now today we are going to write A to Z all together. So take out your English workbook 2 and open page number 9898. Parents are requested to mention date and classwork at the top. Now kids, sharpen your pencil and start writing with me. So our first letter is A. So write small letter, or we can say lowercase letter A. Curve and standing line. A. Next one is B. Write small letter B, standing line and curve. A, B, C. So write small letter C, small curve like this. Small letter C. Now which letter comes after C? Yes, it's D. So here we will write small letter D. So draw standing line and curve like this. D, E. So write small letter E, sleeping line and curve. Now what comes after E? It's F. So here we will write small letter F, curve, standing line, small sleeping line over it. E, F. Next G. So write the next letter G, curve, standing line and turn. Small letter G. Now next small letter H. Write small letter H, standing line, moving up with the same line, turn like this. H. Now what comes after H? It's I. So here we will write small letter I. Draw a small standing line and small dot over it like this. Small letter I. Next small letter J. So put your pencil here and draw standing line, turn, small dot over it. Small letter J. Next small letter K. So put your pencil here, draw standing line and two slanting line like this. Small letter K. Now which letter comes after K? It's L. So here we will write small letter L. Write small letter L like this. Now which letter comes after L? Yes, it's M. So write small letter M. Draw small standing line, moving up with the same line, curve, standing line, moving up with the same line, curve, standing line. Small letter M. Next small letter N. Write small letter N, draw a standing line, moving up with the same line, curve, standing line. N. Now which letter comes after N? Yes, it's O. So here we will write small letter O. So put your pencil here and draw curve, again curve, and join them. Small letter O. Now which letter comes after O? Yes, it's P. So here we will write small letter P. Okay. So put your pencil here and draw standing line and curve. Now next, small letter Q. Draw curve, standing line, slanting line. Small letter Q. Now which letter comes after Q? It's R. So here we will write small letter R. Standing line, moving up with the same line and turn. Small letter R. Now next, small letter S. So put your pencil here and draw curve, again curve, like this. Small letter S. Next, small letter T. Put your pencil here and draw standing line, turn, and small slipping line over it. Small letter T. Next, small letter U. So write small letter U. Put your pencil here, draw standing line, curve, like this. Small letter U. Next, small letter V. So draw slanting line, one more slanting line like this. Small letter V. Next, small letter W. So write small letter W, slanting line, moving up with slanting line, moving down with slanting line, and again moving up with slanting line. Small letter W. Next, small letter X. So write small letter X, slanting line, again slanting line. Small letter X. Now which letter comes after X? Yes, it's Y. So here we will write small letter Y. Put your pencil here, draw slanting line, and again long slanting line like this. Small letter Y. And our last small letter is Z. So here we will write small letter Z. Slipping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Small letter Z. So kids, like this you have to complete the pages 98, 98, 99, 99, 100, 100 and 101, 101 in your English workbook 2. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.